Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious vegetarian burger at home. Let's start by preparing our flavorful patties. First, gather your fresh ingredients such as canned black beans, breadcrumbs, and your favorite spices. Mash the beans thoroughly in a large bowl to create a solid base. Then, mix in your chosen seasonings and form the mixture into 4 to 6 uniform patties, each about 1 inch thick. This ensures they cook evenly. Now that your patties are formed, it's time to cook them to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place your patties in the pan and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and firm. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Always ensure an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. With your delicious veggie patties ready, let's assemble your masterpiece. First, lightly toast your burger buns for a delightful crisp texture and enhanced flavor. Next, spread your favorite condiments like creamy mayonnaise or tangy mustard on both halves of the bun. On the bottom bun, layer fresh lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and crisp onion rings. Finally, place your perfectly cooked veggie patty on top, adding a slice of your preferred cheese if you wish. Almost ready to enjoy. To truly personalize your burger, consider adding some fantastic toppings. Slices of creamy avocado, tangy pickles, or savory sautéed mushrooms can elevate the taste. A dollop of your homemade special sauce will also make a significant difference. Once assembled, serve your incredible homemade veggie burgers immediately alongside a fresh side salad or crispy fries. Enjoy the immense satisfaction of creating a delicious, healthy, and completely customized meal right in your own kitchen. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.